Hi, today I want to talk about the Adafruit breadboard breakout helper, or the IDC breakout helper to be correct, which I had some issues with when I wanted to use it to connect it to a breadboard for connections with ribbon cables, like you can see in this picture, or like this, ribbon cables like this, to connect them to breadboards like that. So I bought those little things. It comes in two pieces. One piece to connect it to the breadboard. But if you try this, you see quickly it won't just stick inside. It falls off again. This comes because those little legs or contacts are simply too short to go deep enough into the breadboard, and so in the end you simply can't use it. Fail. What to do? At first I came up with a solution like this. I soldered the connector, the lower part, to a little PCB like this, and if you take that and stick it into the breadboard, you see it connects. Take the cable, connect it here, everything fine so far. Looks a little bit ugly and you waste the innermost contacts because those holes were taken by the connector. I wasn't really satisfied with the solution, so I thought a bit about it and finally came up with this one. This is a C socket, integrated circuit socket, which has long enough legs to connect to the breadboard easily. It sticks there, doesn't fall off. And you can see you even can use one more row of contacts in the breadboard now. And now you take the little breakout connector and plug it into the socket itself. And as you can see now, if you pull it, you pull the socket from the breadboard and not the connector from the socket. It sticks there very well. Put the contacts in, connect the ribbon cable. Now let's see what's up. Everything fine so far. Simple solution for a little annoying problem, but working. Enjoy it.